Open mindset. Be open to not knowing yet. When life throws you a curveball, your brain wants answers now, please and thank you. But here's the deal. Clarity doesn't always come on demand. According to the incubation effect in psychology, when you walk away from a challenge and let your mind rest, it keeps working behind the scenes. Those aha moments, they usually don't arrive when you're forcing it. They show up when you're folding laundry or even staring into space. Also, micro breaks like taking 10 minutes to sip tea or stretch help restore mental energy and boost problem solving, especially during cognitive overload. And I do not know too many women who don't experience cognitive overload every single day. This is like making bread dough. You knead it, you cover it, and then you walk away. Because if you hover, if you poke, or if you rush it, it doesn't rise. The magic happens in the pause. You need the air, the space, and the rest. So here's your activity, permission to not know yet. This week, set aside an hour where your only mindset is, I don't have to figure anything out. No pushing, no pressing. Go for a walk, dance with some music on, make a new recipe. Ask yourself, what bubbled up when I gave myself space? What felt unfamiliar but interesting? And if clarity were a simmering sauce, did I give it enough time to reduce? Being open means letting ideas rise on their own timeline.